How was your day? This is a very common question in everyday English. People ask it at work, at home, and when they meet a friend. Maybe someone asks you, "How was your day?" Sometimes it is easy to understand, but answering can feel a little difficult. What should you say? Good? Busy? Tired? Today, we will practice simple English to talk about your day slowly, calmly, and clearly. You do not need difficult words, just simple sentences that people use every day. Imagine this. You meet a friend in the evening. They smile and ask you a simple question. How was your day? Now you can answer in calm and natural English. Let us begin. The question is simple. How was your day? You will hear this question many times in daily life. A friend may ask you, a coworker may ask you, even a family member may ask this question. Listen again. How was your day? It means, what happened today? Was your day good? Was it busy? Was it difficult? Sometimes people ask this question to be friendly. They want to start a small conversation. Imagine this moment. You meet a friend after work. They smile. They look at you and say, "How was your day?" You pause for a moment. You think about your day. Now, you can answer. But first, listen to the question again. How was your day? Slow, clear, natural. You will hear this question again and again in English conversations. So it is good to feel comfortable when someone asks you. In the next part, we will practice simple answers, easy answers that you can use every day. Now, someone asks you, "How was your day?" You do not need a long answer. A short answer is normal in English. Listen to these examples. My day was good. Simple, clear, natural. Many people say this. If your day was busy, you can say, "My day was busy." Busy means you had many things to do. Work, study, meetings, or errands. Sometimes your day feels calm. Then you can say, "My day was quiet." Quiet means not many things happened. Maybe you stayed home. Maybe you rested. Sometimes your day feels long. You can say, "My day was long." This means you feel a little tired, but it is still a normal answer. Listen again. My day was good. My day was busy. My day was quiet. My day was long. These sentences are simple, but very useful. When someone asks, "How was your day?" you can answer with calm and confidence. In the next part, we will learn how to continue the conversation. Because after this question, people often ask something else. What did you do today? After you answer, "My day was good," the conversation often continues. People usually ask another simple question. What did you do today? Listen again. What did you do today? This question means, what activities happened during your day? Maybe you worked, maybe you studied, maybe you stayed at home, maybe you went somewhere. Imagine this small conversation. Your friend asks, "How was your day?" You answer, "My day was good." Then they ask, "What did you do today?" Now you can tell them about your day. You do not need long explanations. Just simple sentences are enough. For example, "I worked today," or "I studied English," or "I stayed home today." These answers are short, but they sound natural. English conversations are often simple like this. One question, one short answer. Then the conversation continues. In the next part, we will practice common sentences to talk about your day. Now, your friend asked you a question. What did you do today? This is a very common question in English conversation. You do not need long explanations. Just simple sentences are enough. For example, I worked today. This means you spent your day at work. Maybe you had meetings, maybe you finished tasks, maybe you were busy. Another simple answer is, I studied today. Maybe you studied English. Maybe you read a book. Maybe you practiced something new. You can also say, I stayed home today. This means you did not go out. Maybe you rested. Maybe you watched something. Maybe you had a quiet day. Sometimes your day includes different things. Then you can say something like this. I worked and studied English. Or, I stayed home and relaxed. These sentences are simple, but they sound natural. English conversations often use short ideas, spoken slowly and clearly. When someone asks, what did you do today? You can answer with calm confidence. In the next part, we will listen to a short conversation using these simple sentences. Now, let us listen to a small conversation. Imagine this moment, it is the evening. You finish your work and you meet a friend. Maybe outside the office, maybe near a small cafe, maybe on the street while walking home. Your friend sees you. They smile and say hello. Then they ask a simple question. How was your day? You pause for a moment and think about your day. Then you answer, my day was good. Your friend nods. That's good to hear. Then they ask another question. What did you do today? Now you explain with simple sentences. I worked today. Maybe you had many tasks. Maybe you answered emails. Maybe you had meetings. After that, you can add another idea. I worked today, and I studied English in the evening. Your friend listens carefully, then they smile again. That sounds like a busy day. You laugh a little. Yes, but it was a good day. This is how small conversations happen in everyday English. The questions are simple. How was your day? What did you do today? And the answers are also simple. My day was good. I worked today. I studied English. You do not need long explanations. Short sentences, spoken slowly, are enough. Listen again to the conversation. How was your day? My day was good. What did you do today? I worked today and I studied English. Simple and natural. And very common in real English conversations. In the next part, we will imagine a real-life situation where two people talk about their day. Now, let us imagine a real moment. It is the evening. The day is slowly ending. People are leaving work. The streets are calmer now. You are walking home. On the way up, you see a friend. They notice you. They smile and wave. Hey! You smile back. Hi. For a moment, you both stop walking. Then your friend asks a simple question. How was your day? You think about it just for a second. My day was good. Your friend nods. That's nice. Then they ask another question. What did you do today? You answer slowly. I worked today. You pause and continue. And I studied English in the evening. Your friend looks impressed. That's great. You smile. I'm trying to practice more. Your friend laughs softly. That's a good idea. For a moment, the conversation feels easy, natural and relaxed. This is how real English conversations happen. They are not complicated. They start with small questions. How was your day? What did you do today? Then simple answers follow. My day was good. I worked today. I studied English. Little by little, the conversation grows. In the next part, we will finish today's lesson with a calm reflection about speaking English every day. Now, you have learned something very useful. You learned how to talk about your day. This is a small skill, but it is very important. In real life, people often ask simple questions. How was your day? What did you do today? These questions are everywhere, at work, at home, with friends, or even with new people. The good news is, you do not need difficult English. Simple sentences are enough. My day was good. My day was busy. I worked today. I studied English. These sentences are short, but they are natural. And people understand them easily. Remember, speaking English is not about using big words. It is about communicating clearly and calmly. One small sentence can start a conversation. So, when someone asks you, "How was your day?" you can answer with confidence, slowly, clearly, naturally. My day was good. I worked today. I studied English. Little by little, your English will grow. Conversation by conversation, day by day. Thank you for practicing today. And remember, we are learning English slowly here, step by step. See you in the next lesson.